2, 3. All along the water tank, waiting for a train, 1,000 miles away from home and sleeping in the rain. I went to a brakeman to give him a line of talk. Said, if you have money, I'll see that you don't walk. I haven't got a nickel, penny I could show. Said, get out, you railroad bum. And he closed the boxcar door. He let me out in Texas, state I dearly love. The wide open spaces all around, the moon and stars above. No one seems to want me or lend a helping hand. I'm on my way from Frisco, heading back to Dixieland. Oh, my pocketbook is empty, my heart is filled with pain. I'm 1,000 miles away from home, waiting for a train. Jimmie Rodgers.